Reboot Your System, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the phrase, reboot your system. It's a phrase you might have heard in various contexts. But what does it actually mean? Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding such phrases can be incredibly helpful in everyday conversations, especially in our tech-savvy world. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of reboot your system together. Reboot your system is a phrase that originally comes from the world of computers and technology. To reboot means to restart a computer or device's operating system. This is often done to refresh the system, apply updates, or resolve technical issues. When you reboot, the device shuts down all its operations and starts up again, hopefully running more smoothly than before. Interestingly, the phrase has transcended its literal tech origins and found a place in everyday language. When someone says, reboot your system, outside of a technical context, they're often speaking metaphorically. It means taking a break, refreshing oneself, or starting over with a new perspective in life or a particular situation. This could be after a period of stress, failure, or when facing new challenges. 1. Technical context. My computer is so slow today. I think I need to reboot my system to fix it. 2. Personal growth. After that project failed, I took a week off to reboot my system, and now I'm full of new ideas. 3. Advice. You seem really burnt out. Maybe you should reboot your system and take a short vacation? Understanding the context is key to using the phrase appropriately. It's versatile but best used when the idea of restarting or refreshing is clearly relevant to the conversation. We hope this video helps you understand and confidently use the phrase, reboot your system, in both technical and non-technical contexts. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and nuances they convey. So, whether you're hitting the restart button on your computer or in your life, knowing how to articulate the experience can be incredibly powerful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.